Good morning, students. Unit 1 Basic Concepts of Chemistry and Chemical Calculations. In this session, I am going to teach atomic and molecular masses. Atomic and molecular masses and mole concept. The first one is atomic masses. Atomic masses. How much does an individual atom weight? ஒரு individual atomத்தினுடைய weight எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? So already you know that. Define atom. The atom is a very smallest electrically neutral particles. The smallest electrically neutral particles. The diameter of an atom. The diameter of an atom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. 0.901 meter. And the weight of atom. The weight of atom approximately 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So 0.2601 kilogram. So atoms are very smaller particles. The atoms are too small. Are you right? So cannot measure directly mass of atoms. Okay, so it is not possible. Does not possible to measure mass directly. Are you right? So hence it is to proposed to have the relative scale. Relative scale based on a standard atom. Standard atom. So are you right? So diameter 10 power minus 10 meter, weight 10 power minus 27 kilogram. For very small particles இருக்கறனால mass direct calculate பண்ண முடியாது. Relative scale. So standard atom. For example, hydrogen. So mass of hydrogen is 1. Considered as 1. Okay. So the helium. Okay. So 2 times of hydrogen atom. Mass of 2 times. Helium 2 times. Okay. So relative scale. Relative scale யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் ஒரு ஆட்டத்தினுடைய ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஆட்டம் வச்சுட்டு ரிலேட்டிவ் ஸ்கேல் யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் மாஸை கால்குலேட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா கார்பன் 12 கார்பனுடைய மாஸ் வந்து 12 கிராம் அப்படின்னு வச்சுட்டு நம்ம மாஸை வந்து மெஷர் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, ஸோ த கார்பன் 12 கன்சிடர் அஸ் எ ஸ்டாண்டர்ட். Considered as a standard by the IUPAC, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Pure and Applied Chemistry. Pure and applied chemistry. The fixed mass of carbon is 12 AMU or 12 U. Okay, so AMU, the unified atomic mass unit. Okay, so unified atomic mass unit. Unified atomic mass unit. So define unified atomic mass unit. So define unified atomic mass unit. The unified atomic mass unit is defined as the 1/12 of the 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. Carbon 12 atom in its ground state. In its ground state. Ground state. Okay, two more questions. Define unified atomic mass unit. The unified atomic mass unit defined as 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom in its ground state. In its ground state, so the 1 AMU or 1 U is equal to 1.6605 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. It's a standard constant value. Okay, so இது எப்படி derive பண்றது அப்படின்னா the AMU atomic mass unit is equal to atomic mass unit is equal to average atomic mass unit or mass of one atom. Mass of one atom. Mass of one atom divided by mass of one atom divided by gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. The mass of one atom is equal to the mass of one atom is equal to gram atomic mass divided by gram atomic mass divided by Avogadro number. Avogadro number. The gram atomic mass of carbon 12. Okay, so divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, so the gram atomic mass divided by Avogadro number, right? That is equal to 1.9926. 1.9926 into 10 power minus 23. 10 power minus 23 gram. Are you right? So mass of one atom. So mass of one atom is equal to the mass of one atom of carbon is equal to 1.9926 into 10 power minus 23. Minus 23 divided by gram atomic mass of carbon 12. Gram atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12. Okay, so இது ரெண்டுக்கும் ரேஷியோ கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் அப்படின்னா இதனுடைய சோ இதுக்கு லாக் பார்க்கறோம், அடுத்து இதுக்கு லாக் பார்த்துட்டு இதுல இருந்து இதை சப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு ஆன்டி லாக் பார்க்கறோம் அப்படின்னா சோ இந்த வேல்யூ சொல்றோம். ஓகே, that is equal to 1.6605 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. எல்லா ஆட்டத்துக்குமே AMU வேல்யூ ஸ்டாண்டர்ட். ரைட்? சோ அப்போ அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் டைரக்டா கால்குலேட் பண்ண முடியாது. சோ ரிலேட்டிவ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் தான் கால்குலேட் பண்ண முடியும். சோ டிஃபைன் ரிலேட்டிவ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ். Define relative atomic mass. The relative atomic mass is equal to the relative atomic mass. The relative atomic mass relative atomic mass is equal to the ratio of the average of mass factor to the unified atomic mass. So the ratio of mass of one atom divided by unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass, right? So the relative atomic mass of hydrogen. the relative atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to mass of one hydrogen atom. Mass of one hydrogen atom divided by unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass. So unified atomic mass is a constant value. Unified atomic mass is a constant for all atoms, right? The mass of one hydrogen atom. Okay. Mass of one hydrogen atom is equal to, okay, gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass divided by Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Right? That is equal to gram atomic mass of hydrogen 1.008 divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, so that is equal to 1.63, 1.6736, 1.6736 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Right? So mass of one hydrogen atom, is equal to 1.6736 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. The unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to the mass of one hydrogen atom. Mass of one hydrogen atom. Mass of one hydrogen atom divided by mass of one hydrogen atom divided by gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass, right? So that is equal to mass of one hydrogen atom 1.6736 into 10 power minus 27 divided by gram atomic mass of hydrogen 1.008, right? That is equal to 1.6605 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Okay, it's a constant value for our atoms. Okay, so the relative atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to mass of one hydrogen atom. Mass of one hydrogen atom. 1.6736 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram divided by unified atomic mass 1.6605 into 10 power minus 27. That is equal to 1.0078. So that is equal to 1.008 atomic mass unit. Right? So atomic mass வந்து டைரக்டா கால்குலேட் பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால relative atomic mass calculate பண்ணணும். Since the most of the element consists of isotopes. Since the most of the elements consist of isotopes that differ mass. So most of the element பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா isotopes இருக்கும். அப்ப mass differ ஆகும். Mass என்ன செய்யும்? Differ ஆகும். அப்ப we use average atomic mass. We use average atomic mass, right? So we use average atomic mass. We use average atomic mass. So define average atomic mass. Define average atomic mass. Right? The average atomic mass defined as the average of the average of the atomic masses of all atoms in the naturally occurring isotopes. So the average atomic mass, define average atomic mass, 2 mark questions. The average atomic mass defined as the average of the atomic masses of all atoms in the naturally occurring isotopes. So what is isotope? The isotopes, the two or more same elements, chemical same elements having same atomic number but different mass number. The number of protons and electrons are equal but number of neutrons is different. So for example, isotope of hydrogen H11, H12, H13, protium, deuterium, tritium. Protium, deuterium, tritium, the same atomic number, same element, same atomic number, but different mass number. The number of proton 1, the number of electron are also 1, but number of neutron is 0. The 0 neutron contained element is hydrogen, protium. Isotope of hydrogen, protium, right? So proton 1, electron 1, but neutron is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. But in this deuterium, proton is equal to 1, electron is equal to 1, but neutron is equal to 2. Okay, so differ in neutron, number of neutron. Okay, so for example, the average of the atomic masses of all atoms in the naturally occurring isotopes. Example, the naturally occurring isotopes of chlorine. So chlorine consists of 2 isotopes. So chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. Same atomic number, same element, same atomic number, but different mass number. Okay, so abundant is must. The 1735 chlorine plus 77% abundant in earth. Okay, so 17 and 37, 23%. Okay, the average atomic mass is equal to mass of chlorine is equal to 77 into 35 plus 23 into 37. Okay, 77 into 35 plus 23 into 37 divided by 100. That is equal to 35.45 U. Are you right? So average atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 35.45 U or atomic mass unit, AMU. Okay, so next one is molecular masses. Molecular masses. So similar to relative atomic mass. So the relative molecular mass. The relative molecular mass is equal to the ratio of the molecular mass of the mass of one molecule. Mass of a molecule. So mass of one molecule. So relative atomic mass of one atom. So the relative molecular mass of one molecule divided by the unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass unit, right? So the relative atomic mass, the divine relative atomic mass, the ratio of the mass of one atom to the unified atomic mass, but the relative molecular mass is similar to relative atomic mass. The relative molecular mass is defined as the ratio of mass of one molecule to the unified atomic mass. Okay, so the relative molecular mass of the any compounds, the relative molecular mass of the any compounds can be calculated by adding the relative atomic mass of its constituent ions. So for example, the relative molecular mass of hydrogen, H2, the relative atomic mass of hydrogen, relative atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1.008. So therefore, the relative molecular mass of hydrogen is equal to 2 into 1.008. Okay, so that is equal to 2.016 AMU. Right? Okay, so next one example, the relative molecular mass of glucose, C6H12O6. The relative molecular mass of any compounds can be calculated by adding the relative atomic masses of constituent ions. So 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1.008 plus 6 into 16. 6 into 16, right? That is equal to 12 into 6, 72 plus 12 into 1.008. So 12 into 8, 96. 096 plus 16 into 6, 96. Right? So 72, 12.096 and 96. Okay, so 96, 0, so 4, 10, 0, 10, 18. That is equal to 118.096 atomic mass unit. Relative atomic mass of some elements. Okay, so very important. So இது relative mass தெரிஞ்சாதான் sum எல்லாம் work out பண்ண முடியும். அதனால சில எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் உடைய ரிலேட்டிவ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் நம்ம வச்சுக்கலாம். சோ எதுக்கெல்லாம் வச்சுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா ஹைட்ரஜன் 1.008 relative atomic mass U 1.008. carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, right? Sodium 23, magnesium 24, right? Sulfur 32, chlorine 35.45 chlorine, potassium 39, calcium 40, chromium 52. Okay, so chromium 52, manganese 55, iron 56, copper 63.55, right? So students, இதனால நான் வச்சுக்கோங்க, அப்பதான் சம் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்றதுக்கு நமக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். ஹைட்ரஜன் 1.008, கார்பன் 12, relative atomic mass of elements: nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, sodium 23, magnesium 24, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.45, potassium 39, calcium 40, chromium 52, manganese 55, iron 56, copper 63.55. Right? So the example sum: calculate the relative molecular mass of potassium dichromate. Calculate the relative molecular mass of potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. Okay, so potassium, so 2 into atomic mass of relative atomic mass of potassium, that is equal to 2 into 39. 2 into 39, right? So chromium 2 into Cr, 2 into chromium 52, 2 into 52 chromium. Next, so 7 into oxygen, so 7 into 16, oxygen 16, 16. Okay, so that is equal to, okay, so 9 into 2 18, remaining 7 78, right? 2 2 4 5 10, 104. Okay, so 6 into 7 42, 2, remaining 4, 1 into 7 7, so 11, right? So 8 plus 10, 8 10 14, 4, remaining 1 8 1 9, 294 AMU, 294 AMU. Okay students, the next one is mole concept. The next one is mole concept. Mole concept. This is important one. Okay. So mole concept. We can use the special name to express the quantity of individual items. For example, 1 dozen. 1 dozen is equal to 12. So 1 dozen egg is equal to 12 eggs. The 1 dozen pencil contain 12 individual pencils. 1 square. 1 square is equal to 25 single seeds. 25 single seeds. So we can understand the concept of mole is used to quantify the number of atoms and molecules in chemistry. Alright? So the mole is a SI unit. The mole is a SI unit. A specific quantity of the specific amount of substance. The specific amount of substance. Okay, so the mole is a SI unit. The mole is a SI unit to represent a specific amount of a substance. A specific amount of a substance. So define mole. 2 mark question. Define mole. The amount of the substance. The amount of the substance. The amount of the substance which contains as many particles. Many particles, atoms, molecules, ions, and etc. So as there are carbon atoms in 12 grams of the carbon 12 isotopes. Okay, define more. The amount of the substance which contains as many particles, atoms, molecules, ions and etc. as there are carbon atoms in 12 gram of the carbon 12 isotope is called mole. So the 12 gram of carbon atom is equal to Avogadro number of molecules 6.023 into 10 power 23. In 180 gram of glucose, is equal to Avogadro number of glucose molecules. Are you right? So the number of atom is equal to the number of atom or number of molecules. The number of atom or number of molecules is equal to gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Atomic mass or molecular mass divided by mass of one atom or mass of one molecule. For example, carbon. The gram atomic mass of carbon is 12. The mass of one atom of carbon is 1.9926 into 10 power minus 23 gram. 1.9926 into 10 power minus 23 gram. So that is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. The number of atom of carbon is equal to Avogadro number of carbon atom. Right? So glucose 180 gram molecular mass of glucose 180 divided by mass of one molecule. So mass of one molecule 29.89 into 10 power minus 23. That is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. You right? So 180 gram of glucose molecules is equal to Avogadro number of glucose molecules. So the amount of the substance which contain as many particles, atoms, molecules, ions as there are carbon atom in 12 gram of the carbon isotope. In other words, the amount of the substance which contains Avogadro number of particles. Avogadro number of particles. Are you right? So Avogadro number of particles. The amount of the substance which contains Avogadro number of particles 6.023 into 10 power 23 is equal to 1 mole. Is equal to 1 mole. You right? Okay. So 12 gram of carbon is equal to Avogadro number of carbon atom. So 1 mole oxygen atom. 1 mole oxygen atom is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 atom of oxygen. Okay, so 1 mole of oxygen atom is equal to Avogadro number of atom of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen molecules. 1 mole of oxygen molecule is equal to Avogadro number of molecules of oxygen molecules of oxygen, or 2 into Avogadro number of oxygen atom. So okay students, some useful formula for problems. some useful problems, some useful formulas for problems. Some useful formulas for problem. So, number 1, relative atomic mass. The relative atomic mass is equal to mass of one atom divided by unified atomic mass. Okay, so second one, mass of one atom. Mass of one atom is equal to gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass divided by Avogadro number. Avogadro number. So, for example, the mass of one atom of carbon. So, mass of one atom of carbon, gram atomic mass of carbon 12 divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23 is equal to 1.9926 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So 1.9926 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass is equal to the mass of one atom divided by gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass is equal to 1.9926 into 10 power minus 23 divided by, so gram atomic mass 12 is equal to 1.6605 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Okay, so unified atomic mass. The next fourth one, the number of atoms. The number of atoms is equal to the gram atomic mass divided by mass of one atom. Number of atom is equal to the reciprocal of unified atomic mass. So gram atomic mass by mass of one atom, it is equal to gram 12 by 1.9926 into 10 power minus 23 is equal to Avogadro number 6.023 10 power 23 Avogadro. Are you right? So number of atom is equal to gram atomic mass by mass of one atom. Right? So the next, the relative molecular mass. The relative molecular mass, the mass of one molecules. The mass of one molecules divided by unified atomic mass. The mass of one molecules. The mass of one molecules is equal to the gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass by Avogadro number. For example, gram molecular mass of glucose C6H12O6 equal to 180 gram. So 180. 180 by Avogadro number, that is equal to 29.89 into 10 power minus 23 gram. So unified atomic mass, the mass of one atom divided by gram atomic mass. So no change. Okay. So number of molecules. Number of molecules. The gram molecular mass. The gram molecular mass by mass of the gram molecular mass by the mass of one molecule. Right? The number of molecules is equal to gram molecular mass divided by mass of one molecules. Right? So the gram molecular mass of glucose 180, right? So divided by the mass of one molecule, 29.89 into 10 power minus 23, that is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, so 180 gram of glucose molecules is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 Avogadro number of glucose molecules. The number of moles is equal to given mass by atomic mass. Given mass by atomic mass, or given mass by molecular mass. Right? So carbon atom, so number of moles given mass by atomic mass. Glucose molecules, the number of moles of glucose molecules is equal to given mass by molecular mass of glucose. Right? So the number of moles is equal to number of atoms divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. So the number of molecules divided by Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23 is equal to number of moles. So number of moles is equal to atom means given mass by atomic mass. So molecules means given mass by molecular mass. In other words, number of atoms by Avogadro number is equal to 1 mole, or number of molecules by Avogadro number is equal to number of moles. The number of atom is equal to the number of atoms. The number of atoms are molecules. The number of atoms or molecules is equal to gram or mass of the substance, generally called mass of the substance. Atom or molecules divided by mass of single atom or molecules. Mass of one atom or molecules. Okay, so thank you students. We will meet next class. Thank you.